Hi, have you ever wondered about how you can design your own kalimba sound? Then this is a video for you. I'm Mitch from SoundBridge, a professional DJ and producer, and I'll be showing you this neat trick in less than 2 minutes. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons, so you keep getting content like this that helps you improve your craft as a musician. Because the sound of real instruments is heavily influenced by temperature, humidity and many other aspects, they often sound more appealing than their digital counterparts. These imperfections can cause minor variations in tuning, which our ears interpret as more enjoyable. Keeping this in mind, in the following tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own kalimba sound using a digital soft synth. As shown in the project, I used Vital to generate the kalimba sound. After utilizing a few oscillators, filters and envelopes, I finalized the sound with the Vital effects and got a realistic sounding kalimba. Let us hear it separately and then in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.